Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's session, we are going to explore an important concept in modern innovation, that is, innovation ecosystems and the role of information systems in connecting stakeholders and enabling value networks. In earlier sessions, we focused on innovation within organizations. However, in reality, innovation rarely happens in isolation. Organizations today operate highly connected environments where multiple players interact, collaborate, and co create value. This interconnected environment is known as innovation ecosystem. By the end of this session, you will understand what an innovation ecosystem is, who the key stakeholders are, what value networks mean, and how information systems enable collaboration and innovation across these networks. Let us begin. What is innovation ecosystem? An innovation ecosystem is a network of organizations, individuals, and institutions that interact to create, share, and apply knowledge for innovation. Think of it like a natural ecosystem. Just as plants, animals, and the environment depends on each other, organizations depend on various external and internal actors to innovate successfully. These ecosystems include companies, customers, suppliers, competitors, universities, government agencies, technology providers. All these participants contribute in different ways to the innovation process. No single organization has all the resources, knowledge, or capabilities required to innovate continuously. Therefore, collaboration becomes essential. Let us now look at the major stakeholders involved. First, organizations themselves. These are the central players driving innovation. Second, customers. Customers are not just users anymore, they are actively contributing ideas, feedback, and even co create products. Third, suppliers and partners. They provide resources, components, and specialized knowledge. Fourth, competitors. Surprisingly, even competitors can collaborate in certain cases, especially in technology development. Fifth, government and regulatory bodies. They create policies, provide funding, and support innovation initiatives. Sixth, academic institutions and research organizations. They generate new knowledge and support research and development. Each of the stakeholders plays a unique role and innovation emerges from their interaction. Now let's understand the concept of value networks. A value network is the set of relationships through which organizations create and deliver value. In traditional models, value was created in linear chain from supplier to manufacturer to customer. However, in modern ecosystems, value creation is network based, not linear. Multiple participants interact simultaneously, information flows in different directions, and value is co created rather than simply delivered. For example, in a digital platform, developer creates apps, users provide feedback, the platform provider manages the infrastructure. All participants contribute to value creation. This is the essence of a value network. Now, Let us connect this concept with information systems. Information systems are the backbone of modern innovation ecosystems. They enable communication between stakeholders, data sharing and integration, coordination of activities, real-time collaboration. Without information systems, managing such complex networks would be nearly impossible. For example, cloud platforms allow global collaboration. Application programming interfaces connect different systems. Data analytics helps understand ecosystem behavior. Information systems transform isolated organizations into connected innovation networks. Let us look at some real world examples. First one, Amazon ecosystem. Amazon connects sellers, buyers, logistic providers and developers through its platform. Each participant adds value to the ecosystem. Another one is Apple ecosystem. Apple provides a platform where developers create apps, users consume them and Apple manages the infrastructure. Another one is Google ecosystem. Google connects advertisers, users, developers and businesses through search, Android and cloud services. In all these examples, innovation is not created by single entity, but by network of participants. Let us see the importance of innovation ecosystems. Why are innovation systems are important? They accelerate innovation, reduce cost through shared resources, enable access to diverse knowledge, increase adaptability, create competitive advantage. Organizations that effectively manage ecosystems are more likely to succeed in the digital economy. Let us summarize what we discussed. Innovation systems consist of interconnected stakeholders working together. Value is created through networks, not isolated efforts. Information systems plays an important role in enabling communication, collaboration and coordination. The key takeaway is simple. Innovation today is a collective process and information systems make this collaboration possible. Thank you and I will see you in the next session.